Akrapovic really have achieved a lot in recent years. MotoGP world titles of Joan Mir, Fabio Quartararo, the thrilling victories of KTM, and Ducati's awesome title battles. In this new era that is closer than ever, factors like power delivery really do make a difference. In 2022, 75% of the MotoGP grid is equipped with Akrapovic exhaust systems, including 4 factory teams. Let's have a look how these beautiful exhaust systems have evolved over the last 20 years. It all started in Slovenia. In 1991, Akrapovic started manufacturing exhaust for superbikes. By 1999, the majority of the factory teams in the World Superbike Championship were using their exhausts. 3 years later, in 2002, MotoGP regulation changes meant 1000cc 4-strokes were what motorcycle manufacturers needed to develop, and Akrapovic had the knowledge. The first teams to use Akrapovic exhaust systems in MotoGP were Aprilia and Kawasaki. Then all other manufacturers followed. The entry into MotoGP marked a turning point for Akrapovic. In the early years, the engine designs used varied greatly. Honda's V5, Kawasaki's inline-4, Aprilia's 3-cylinder, and Team Roberts' V4 and then V5. And there was a lot of experimentation on ignition sequence or firing order, which led to radical changes in exhaust header configurations. Over the years, FIM noise regulations changed. 130 decibels at 5,500 RPM meant mufflers were no longer needed. Megaphones of various shapes were developed and the appearance changed significantly. A more scientific approach to exhaust development began. Fluid dynamics, coatings, insulation and active exhausts, which are valves controlling and regulating engine braking. A key to success here is Akrapovic's mastery of titanium alloy casting processes, which allows for the creation of perfectly shaped parts that were previously impossible. In 2014, Ducati introduced the exhaust valve system to its Desmo Sedici, fitting it to a system co-developed with Akrapovic. The approach to exhaust system development changed dramatically. Exhaust systems are now designed exclusively by computer, and the final product is always designed in a 3D environment due to requirements for optimization of work, use of space on the motorcycle, and precision craftsmanship. Of course, weight has always been a top priority in MotoGP. In 2017, Akrapovic designed a thinner, lighter, complete exhaust system, less than 2 kilos, ready to race. Every year, Akrapovic, together with each team, develop new exhaust systems. 1 or 2 major evolutions, together with several minor updates. This means between 10 and 30 upgrades every year. Akrapovic is not just an exhaust producer, but a MotoGP development partner, working together with the team's engineers in Akrapovic headquarters on the development of MotoGP machines. A great example of this is the Akrapovic double exhaust system on the Suzuki GSX RR, which helped Joan Mir clinch the 2020 MotoGP World Championship. Akrapovic's first 20 years in MotoGP have ended very well. In 2021, Akrapovic exhaust systems were fitted to the machines that won world titles in all three classes: MotoGP, Moto2 and Moto3. I look forward to see what Akrapovic can achieve at the highest level in MotoGP in the next 20 years.